If you've been thinking about registering for the TNT Usability credit, but you just weren't sure, here's your last chance to sign up. First, you're probably wondering about the course. Let's take a look at the requirements. If you indicated that you were interested in the credit, you've already been added to the course in D2L. To check, go to the Select a Course menu and search for Usability. If the course appears in your list, excellent. Click on the link to enter the course. If you are unable to find the course in your list, contact Christy at 771-5148. Now that you are in the course, note that the registration deadline is April 1st. No foolin'! You can get a form in e-learning and fill it out right there, or you can print your own and bring it down. The grad credit will cost $185, but the CEU Continuing Education Unit is free. Now let's take a look at what you need to do if you register. Click on the Content menu and then open the About This Course module. Click on the TNT Usability syllabus and scroll down to the Course Evaluation section. You can see there are basically two scores, participation and assessments. For participation, you can either attend an event live or view the recording of the event. For assessments, there are 5 activities for you to complete. Let's take a look at these requirements. Click on the table of contents and then go to Mod 1 Usable Text. Each module is organized in the same way. There is a quick overview at the top, a list of the month's events, and then a link to the assessments at the bottom. For the participation score for January, you could either attend the January 12th session, the January 26th C4 lunch session, or the January 27th webinar. You do not need to attend all of the events. If you were unable to attend a live event, you can also choose to view one or more of the recordings, but again, you do not need to view all of them. If you attended an event, your participation was noted and you have a grade for January. If you were not able to attend an event, you will need to post to the discussion area one thing you learned from watching a recording. Now on to the assessment scores. There are 5 total. For January, the assessment is to upload a usable text document to the Dropbox. You don't have to create a new one, just share something that you already have, as long as you have checked it for accessibility. The second assessment is to post a link to a usable, in other words, closed-captioned, video. Again, you don't have to create one, you just have to share a link. Although if you are creating videos, make sure you are also captioning them. The third assessment is to review a course for usability. There is a checklist provided that you can use, or you can find your own and use that. Likewise, you can review a course of your own or something from another instructor or another source, like an online MOOC or this class. The fourth assessment is to fill out the provided curation form for an online resource. It's basically 5 questions you should ask yourself when curating content. And finally, the 5th assessment is to sign up for Diigo and share 3 resources that you've curated. We'll be going over how to do this at the April C4 event, but you can also find tutorials for using Diigo in our Atomic Learning resources. That's it! I hope this has encouraged you to register for the grad credit or the CEU if those are things that could help you. Even if you don't need the credit or unit, remember that you are welcome at all of the TNT events. Contact Christy if you have any questions, and remember to bring your registration form to e-learning by Wednesday.